Hello students, our next topic is group 14 elements, nothing but you can call as what 4th A group elements in the Roman number. Now if what are the elements of the group 14 means, here we have carbon, silicon, germanium, symbol is what Ge, tin, Sn, lead, Pb. Okay, these are the elements of 14th group. Now if you see the occurrence of carbon, okay, here carbon is the what 17th most abundant element by mass in the earth crust. Okay, we are talking about the availability of element in the earth crust by mass. Okay, so this is about 17th most element in the earth crust, not in the universe. It is widely distributed in the nature in free as well as in the combined state. In elemental state, it is available as a coal, graphite and diamond. Here means, here you can see the only carbon. In the elemental means what? Carbon is going to combine with the carbon. Okay, that is called in the elemental state, means having the only same similar atom, that is called what? Elemental state. So it is going to apply available as in the free state, nothing but in the elemental form, and as are in the combined state. In the elemental form, it is available as a what? Coal. As you know, where it is only have the carbon, graphite, diamond. You know very well in the 10th class also you learn. Okay. So diamond and graphite are having only carbon. They don't have other elements. Okay. So if you see in the combined form, however, in combined state, it is present as metal carbonates, hydrocarbons and carbon dioxide gas, as you know very well here. CO2, hydrocarbon means we have the methane, ethane, propane, alkanes. Okay. Carbonates means already we discussed sodium carbonate. For example, Na2CO3, isn't it? In that we have the carbon. So it is available in the combined form also. In combination with other elements such as dihydrogen, dioxygen, chlorine and sulfur provides an astonishing, astonishing means what? Extremely surprising or impressive, okay? Array of materials ranging from living tissue to drugs and plastics. Simply means what? Carbon is going to combine with the hydrogen, dihydrogen, chlorine and sulfur, giving the what? A variety of compounds that can be used for example in living tissue. You know very well glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6, isn't it? Okay, so here means what? Here I mean living tissue, like for example drugs, if you take the penicillin. Plastics means you know very well polymer, isn't it? PVC, polyvinyl chloride. So all these we have the means which is going to combine with the other elements and giving the lots of chemical compounds that can be used for the tissue, drugs and plastics. Next here organic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry is devoted to carbon containing compounds. As you know very well, organic chemistry means carbon containing compounds only. Okay, it is a branch of chemistry which deals with the hydrocarbons. In that, carbon is the major component. It is essential constituent of all living organisms. As you know very well, here just now I told, okay, C6H12O6, nothing but glucose. As you know very well, for energy we need so as you know very well, for energy we need the glucose. So it is a essential means important ingredient. Okay, you can call as important constituent of all living organisms. Now if you see the isotopes of carbon, okay, isotopes means what? Having the similar what atomic number but difference in the masses. So here we have we have the three isotopes of carbon, that is C12, C13 and C14. Okay, so naturally occurring carbon contain two stable isotopes. One is what? C12, C13. In addition to this, we have the third isotope, that is what? C12. Okay. Now, what is the specialty of C12 means? It is a what? Radioactive element. Radioactive means what? Going to emit alpha, beta, gamma rays. Now, come to the half-life of these radioactive elements. 5770 years. See, for example, you are taking the 1 gram of half-life means already we discussed. For example, you are taking the 1 gram of C14, you want to convert into 5.5 gram means you have to wait here 5770 years means to time. What is the half-life? The time taken to convert into half amount. Okay, that is called T half. We have the symbol for T with the subscript half. So these many years will take to convert as a 0.5 gram. Okay, that's a specialty of C14. It is used for what? Radiocarbon dating. What is the radiocarbon dating means here? Radiocarbon dating is a method. Okay, it's a type of method. What is the use means? To determine the age of the object. Okay, for example, you know very well fossils are for dinosaur fossils. This much of age we will use it to see, isn't it? So how can we determine by? How can they going to determine means by using the word C14. So determining the age of an object containing organic material by using the properties of radiocarbon, especially C14 they are going to use. Okay, so this is a use of C14. Next come to the occurrence of silicon, germanium and tin later. Now if you see, silicon is a very important component of ceramic, glass and cement. Okay, silicon already we discussed SaO2. Okay, SaO2 present in the cement. Okay, here we already discussed in the compounds of calcium, cement also there, isn't it? So ceramic glasses means you know very well. Okay, we are going to generally ceramic glasses somewhat tough stuff. Okay, that they have some tough nature. Okay, okay, now so it is an important component of ceramic glass. So germanium exists only in traces, means its availability is very less. Tin occurs mainly as a casterite. Here what is the ore of tin means cassiterite. What is the formula? SnO2. Come to the lead, it is a what available as a PBS, that's about galena. Okay. Now next, ultra pure form of germanium and silicon are used to make transistors and semiconductor devices. Here ultra pure means what? Here ultra pure means extremely pure, especially without any impurities. Okay, that is called ultra pure. So ultra pure of germanium silicon used for the what? Transistors and semiconductor devices. Here these are the top 10 element in the available in the what? Earth crust. Okay, so already we discussed in the group 13 also. Oxygen is the first, then silicon, aluminum. So these are the top most 10 elements available in the earth crust.